Tawag tao multi-sectoral consultation about sa adunay proposed na RE Investment Incentives Ordinance sa City Council. Although wala na napasok-pasa kay nag-end ng 20th City Council. But we thought nga nagya po ng clamor na mapasa siya, especially from the business sector. Sumuto ang CREAM project, which is Consumers for Renewable Energy Action in Mindanao. Nagpatawag mi kay para matapok, masynthesize na to ang mga una-una sa matag sektor. Business sector, the consumers. That's why we have done it with Consumanting Cagayanon. Din ang Kinayahan Foundation, Oro Chamber was here. The academe, and of course the media, para may sagutan ways forward. Importante magud nga mapasa ang ordinance because we really need to transition from fossil fuel to renewable energy, especially sa Mindanao. Like Northern Mindanao, nga kita ang host of 70% of the installed capacity of coal in the island. We also have the highest power rates.
Yeah.
Cagayan de Oro is 90% fossil fuel. We are the most expensive in Mindanao.
Okay.
So, saan man ito pagpaubos na siya? Really, we have to go to renewable energy katong para makagain tag self-sufficiency. Kaya karon kataas na po ang presyo sa crude, mataas na po na ang presyo sa coal, and mataas na po ang presyo sa kuryente. Just like what happened pagsugod sa Ukraine-Russian war, nisaka pag-ayo, karon this is the trend that we're seeing. Now, vicious cycle ni siya kung magpadayon ang atong dependence sa imported nga fuel. Aside from dirty, volatile ang iyang presyo. Kaya daghan kayo market disturbances. But if we rely on the sun, if we rely on the forces of nature sa water, the wind, it's readily available. It's just nga kinahanglan lang itap. Now, we move in a market economy. So nakita namo sa Pinoy Action through this CREAM project. Kaya kinahanglan nato i-empower ang consumers to be able to demand, to have their voice nga gusto mi og renewable energy. No, and with hopes that magkadaghan na siya, it would send signals sa government and business sector that policies and investments should be geared towards energy transition. When I say energy transition, it will be transitioning from fossil fuel to renewable energy. Ang Mindanao historically is dependent on renewable energy. It was only in 2016 nga nagdependent sa fossil fuel. So we have this ambitious campaign na pwede nato by 2030 bisag parity lang, 50-50 lang ang fossil fuel o renewable energy. Karon kinama sa 60-40. 60 ang coal o diesel, 30%, 40% lang renewable energy. So, we believe nga ma-achieve nato ng 50-50 by 2030. It's actually an escalation of the national target of 50-50 in 20